Jai Hind. Good evening everyone, my senior NOs and my fellow cadets. I am Cadet Prerna Sahu. Every day is auspicious and a good day, and on this day I would like to present about the lady who succeeded in fulfilling her starry dream. She is none other than Kalpana Chawla. Born on 17th of March 1962 in Karnal, India, she was first Indian American astronaut and first Indian woman astronaut. Also second Indian astronaut after Rakesh Sharma. She completed a total of 2 space missions, second one being her last sadly. Her missions included Space Shuttle Columbia STS-87 in 1997 and Space Shuttle Columbia STS-107 in 2000. Over the course of her 2 missions, Chawla logged 30 days, 14 hours and 54 minutes space. Sadly died on February 1, 2003 during the Columbia disaster. Her early life, Chawla was named Mon 2 and later Kalpana, meaning imagination. She graduated from Tagore School, Karnal, India in 1976. She did her bachelor's in aerospace engineering from Punjab Engineering College. Also, in 1982, she went to USA to pursue a master's in aerospace engineering from University of Texas, Arlington. Also, she received her doctorate from University of Colorado, Boulder in 1988. Now, her experiences. In 1988, Kalpana Chawla started working at NASA Ames Research Center, ARC for short, in the area of powered lift computational fluid dynamics. Her research concentrated on simulation of complex airflows encountered around aircraft. In 1993, Kalpana Chawla joined Oversight Methods Incorporation, Los Altos, California, as Vice President and Research Scientist. She was responsible for development and implementation of efficient techniques to perform aerodynamic optimization. Her experience and life at NASA. Selected by NASA in December 1994, Kalpana Chawla joined the center in March 1995 as an astronaut candidate in the 15th group of astronauts. In November 1996, Kalpana Chawla was assigned as Mission Specialist and Prime Robotic Arm Operator on STS-87. Her space flight experiences. STS-87 Columbia being her first, it was in duration November 19 to December 5, 1997. This was her first flight on Space Shuttle Columbia as a mission specialist and primary robotic arm operator. This mission earned her the title of First Indian Space Woman. The STS-87 consists of 5 more astronauts in her crew. The mission began on November 19, 1997. Also, STS-87 was the 4th US microgravity payload flight. STS-87 made 252 orbits of the Earth, traveling 6.5 million miles in 376 hours and 34 minutes. Her first mission was a grand success. Coming on to her second mission, STS-107 Columbia, which was in duration January 16 to February 1, 2003. In 2000, Kalpana was selected for her second flight as a part of the crew of STS-107. This was her second and last space mission. The mission got repeatedly delayed and was finally launched in 2003, 3 years from when it was sanctioned. Over the course of 16-day flight, the crew completed more than 80 experiments. This second mission of her was also known as Columbia Disaster. The STS-107 mission ended abruptly on February 1, 2003 when Space Shuttle Columbia and her crew perished during the entry 16 minutes prior to scheduled landing. The accident was the second major disaster after explosion of Shuttle Challenger in 1986. The entire crew of 7 was killed. In addition to Chawla, the crew included Commander Rick D., her husband, pilot William C. McCool, payload commander Michelle P. Anderson, payload specialist Ian Raymond, the first Israeli astronaut, mission specialist David M. Brown, and Laurel B. Clark. Now, these are some of the pictures from Kalpana's gallery. In left, you can see her in her early ages and also going through her life in NASA and her experiences with her crewmate. In the bottom left, you can see her with her crewmate Laurel B. Clark. Now, awards and honor. She was awarded the Congressional Space Medal of Honor, the NASA Specialist Flight Medal, the NASA's Distinguished Service Medal. Also, in her honor, various things was named after her. The 74th Street in Jackson Heights, Queens in New York City was renamed to Kalpana Chawla Street. Also, the Haryana government set up a medical college and hospital in Karnal worth Rs 650 crores. Also, there's a hill on Mars with her name. There's a supercomputer in NASA after her. An asteroid that circles between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter called the 51826 Kalpana Chawla. In her honor, the first satellite of the series MetSat-1 launched by India on September 12, 2002 was renamed to Kalpana 1. Also, there's a planetarium in Kurukshetra after her. Now, learnings we get from her. Kalpana Chawla once said, "The path from dreams to reality does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it, and the perseverance to follow it." Kalpana Chawla's life trajectory knows no parallel, which is probably what makes her this century's biggest example for Indian women in science. She is someone who broke the glass ceiling and paved her way for so many others to follow. Someone who is a pioneer in every sense of the word. An exceptionally inspiring woman who made history, Kalpana Chawla taught us to chase our dreams and fulfill them. Don't let social barriers restrict you. Be passionate and live your dreams. Glory to this true star. Thank you and Jai Hind.